Yeah, me there again, my people. Manners, big up and respect to each and every one. Alright, first up, my people, I'm going to present a video to you that's going to show a person laying down on a type of floor, or some people might say the person was laying down on the ground. Is what I say. And in my point of view, the person was making certain sounds that make me assume that the person was not feeling well at the time when the video had been recorded. Is what I say. So when I listen to some words that have been said in the video pertaining to the person, who you can see laying down on that type of floor or ground. You see, my people? Yeah, listen to some words that have been said in this video and tell me what to think about this situation. Observe.
Indian store no curious. Where you say? Indian them we work for. I taxi this. Me I tell you I work with them. My youth just wanna feel better. You guy here and left watch car. Watching no good for nobody. I imagine you walk your side man and lock you out. If you dead out there. Driver, you come with that man? Yeah. See me here, sir. And Indian lock up in there, sir. And now come out. The man there, so we are dead. And the Indian lock up in there, sir. If you are not for them kind of no business with you. So when you feel better, you got your yard. There are patch amongst the people. Them. See you can get up. Come. In can get up in belly. In can get up and have help him up. When you feel better, you got your yard amongst your family.
It no matter who you be. You see me I say, even if you don't know a person, from a person who feel well and dip on the road and I move certain ways, you know, try to help. You might be surprised. Hey, sickness can happen to anybody, you know. And then, based on some words me in another video there, and to me, you know, that look away, me people. You see me I say, that look away right there, so. You know, but they even want to jump to no conclusion because I only go by some words when I hear the person say in the video, but that look away. Anyways, my next video I'm going to present to you, you know. And if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I post a video. Alright, now here I'm going to present another video to you. Now, in this video, a person said some words that gave me the understanding that he claimed that he had been threatened. And this person went on to talk about a certain amount of persons and certain things as well to my people. So I said, just want to listen carefully to some words that the person say in this video. Just listen carefully. Listen carefully. Alright? And viewer discretion is advised. Observe.
Jamaica Constabulary Force, Andrew Holness government. Let me talk to you now. So-called Omar Green, otherwise known as Bossed, he claims to be a member of the Jamaica Constabulary Force, JCF, and him claim to work in the Spanish Town area. We must look up the name, Bossed.
Listen.
Okay, that means you kill people. You bust people head open. Anyway, I'm not worry about your threat. So my video, Jamaica people, was to say, no need for poor people to fight them one another over politics because the politicians are very much good with each others. Some of them is family member from both aisle. No, I'm not a member of the Jamaica Labour Party. I'm not a member of the UIC. I'm not a member of the People's National Party.
Okay.
Right? So my Jamaican people, seems like my message was going to have a good impact coming this election, but it seems like some people bent on bringing back the 1980s to Jamaica, and I can tell you, it wasn't a good sight. I have witnessed tragedy and mayhem on each side of the aisle. Yeah? People's house was padlocked and light.
Yeah, listen.
And people were burnt in those houses. on both sides, from GLP side, PNP side. People get stabbed up, shot up from both sides. So, if we out here trying to say to the overdowns, fully downs, semi-downs, said don't go to war for no politician, be smart, be wise.
Really?
Don't make them fool on him. And this guy will call himself Omar Green. And say he is from the Spanish Town area, work with the JCF or a member of the Jamaica Constabulary Force. I don't know if I set him a try set up people life. If you say him name Omar Green, so all attention go focus on Omar Green over Spanish Town and Bossed, as him call himself, Bossed. Well, we know Bossed mean you kill people. But you're a threat to my life. Me live through the 80s. Me don't worry about that now. Me don't worry about your threats. Me live through all heap fight. All heap time them gunman come for kill me. I nothing happen. So we all have to die one day. All the way. That's one thing God promised every man. Every man that God promised that. It's once appointed unto man to die. But remember, it seems like you are going to live forever. Mr. Omar Green, as you call yourself, aka Bossed, Jamaica Constabulary Force member. Right? But it's sad that you'd have post up your daughter picture. Why they threaten people's life? Because people messages, don't do no political war. Don't fall for the foolishness with this Jamaica government who are oppressing you. And what some other people fear to understand is that my dislike for this government, the Andrew Holness government pandemic. When I watch the Jamaican people them suffer, I watch innocent youth try to go to work and state of emergency lock them up, police brutalize them, soldier brutalize them, and some of them spend 6 months in jail. And I never hear Andrew come out. Me never hear Babsy come out. Me not hear nobody come out and said what we're doing to these people is wrong. Some of these youths never been in trouble before, and for you to take them and put them behind bars with criminals for 6 months, some of them spend a year, 2 years, lost to the system. Them come out angry, them come out disturbed with no compensation. And you tell me, my message is don't go fight no political war. And you tell me, Mr. So-called Omar Green, you'd rather see my message and before endorse it, you'd rather send you that threat? Why you not tell me which day to meet you at Spanish Town? Tell me which day to meet you. I'll come and meet you so you can fulfill your wishes.
Yeah.
On a serious level.
Rolling.
Right? No, I'm Jamaican people. This is sadness. Because, let me tell you something, Jamaica. Many years ago, I have a friend named Junior. I don't remember if it's weird. I think it's weird known some brother. It's weird known some brother, I think so. I don't want to make no mistake, but I think it's weird known some brother. Junior, I know him as. Junior asked me for a ride. Me there East Kingston, me there Oliver Road, Bottom. And I see Junior. East Kingston is PNP area. West Kingston, more side going in at Tivoli is GLP area. He must walk through the little side of Matches Lane between Orange Street and Manhattan House, the road they were on a Spanish Town Road, you call that? Yes, Spanish Town Road. We sit between Marsh Drugstore and Manhattan House. And I said to Junior, I said, why you are going to Tivoli this time? Him say, I'm going to perform down there. Him say, him good. Yeah, Mr. Jamaica people, let me talk my truth. Because I live with a paid every day that I give this young man a ride. And he's never been found since this day, going over 20 odd years. I watched Junior come out of my car. And I said, I want to see if him well be knowing. And when him come out of the car and I go through Spanish Town, all me can hear out of the the stars shed and out a little corner. DJ, who that DJ? And then say, yeah man, and him have I think him have touring, him have a chain. Junior was never been, I drive off, cause me say, yo, him big, him well be knowing man. Cause everybody has say, who that DJ, just out of nowhere you hear people I say, who that DJ, cause the road was dead. This was like about 10:45, 10:25, something around that. I remember that time. 10:45, the night. I'm going to perform at Tivoli. Junior was never been found. And guess what? There was a political tension going on. All we don't know, they mistake him, think he's a man from Matches Lane astray. Or a man from Tivoli astray. So this is why I'm saying, don't fight no political war. Because the poor people alone go missing. This is the first in history I really ever hear like, okay, a politician, woman and him picking missing. When we see Paul, well, baby mother and child is being missing.
Oh, okay.
Right, Jamaica people?
Yeah,
so simple. So when Mr. Omar Green or way him call himself, I come out here like, I'm supposed to afraid of you, but I'm going to tell you, I'm going to trigger a major investigation on you. I'm going to make sure them put a stop order upon every travel documents you have, that you never leave the shores of Jamaica. I'm going to make sure that Omar Green, as you call yourself, you picture everything. I'm going to make sure get it in the Jamaica Gleaner. I'm make sure get with the United States Embassy, get with the Canadian Embassy, get with the British High Commissioner. Me have your picture. Me have all of your information. But who send you? Eh? Who send you? Me have everything what you are saying. Me have everything what you are saying. So who send you? Eh? This is how this government want to fight them battle. Because them sisters them are going to lose. Them rather intimidate and threaten the citizens, the citizens and the people of Jamaica life. The people who oppose them. This is how they want to threaten them. Huh? You're threatening me with death. We all have to die one day. But mine, you not die before me. That's all me I tell you. So Andrew, all this government, a badness we see you use. We see Labour right always I use the badness. When you do it in a Michael Manley time. When Bob Marley say, come unite. Uno put a temp on Bob Marley life. Yes, uno labor right, uno know yourself. And you know say you behind it. Yeah man, you minister. You know that up to now. You should even be minister. Why you not apologize to Jamaica people? Why you not apologize to Michael Manley? Why you not apologize to Bob Marley family? That if you why not apologize to the innocent youth them of Jamaica that lose them life and fight political war for them? Why not apologize to them? Why we can't just go to the
Well, this person make valid points and at the same time express himself about certain things. So now we are set away with people. See what I say? Say you those words when him say about threat and all them things. Yeah, so now we have people. Yeah, so tell me what you think, my people. Do you agree or disagree with some words that he said? I mean, do you understand those words that he said? Do you understand what he talk about? What? Let me know what you think, my people. Set away. I think I just gonna left it still, you know. Yeah, and for real, don't fight no farmer war, yo. No bother with no war. No, what the war thing for yo? Them thing that I need it none at all, man. No fight no war, man. It no matter what kind, man. No politics, no gang, no this. No war at no time. If you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. My name is Dancehall Skilla. Big up.